Hello, I'm Stuart, and today's make will be a chicken grazing box made from recycling an old pallet. First thing you'll need to do with your pallet is prise off 4 of these lats that run across. When you've got all 4 lengths off, it's a good idea to either stain them or treat them with some kind of paint so they'll last a bit longer, but you don't have to. Now that we've painted all 4 lengths, we're going to have to measure the turf that we've got. That's going to sit just inside, underneath the wire mesh. After measuring up, I've cut my turf into 80 by 60 centimetre squares, so I can create 2 grazing boxes for the chickens. After you've measured up the perimeter of your grazing box, it's now time to cut it out. Now you'll need to cut 4 squares for each of the corners to hold it together. Any wood about inch by inch or thicker is perfect for the corners. Now you've got the 4 corners, you can screw the square together. You'll find it easiest to build the box if you screw these on the ends first. Then it's just a case of screwing on the sides. When you've screwed all corners together, so you've got your box, just touch up your edges, and then it's time to fill it with soil in the spot where you want it to live. When you've got your grazing box in position, that's when you fill it. It seemed very interesting. size I've done it, 80 by 60 centimetres, will take about 50 litres of soil to fill. Now time to get the turf. See, the aim of this is chickens are very inquisitive and curious creatures and easily get bored, and that's when you get henpecking and bullying going on. But laying some grass beneath some wire keeps the grass roots safe, so the grass survives, but the chickens can scratch and eat the top growth. You'll find it easy if you fold over the ends when you come to stapling it down, and then if you beat it down just to bend the metal, take the shape of the box then. So this is the finished grazing box. As you can see, cheap, easy to do, have fun. Hope you enjoyed today's make of the chicken grazing box. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment if there's anything else you want to see me make. Thanks.